Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach the syntax of if else, and else if. Three cases I need to teach the syntax. From next video onwards, we'll start the examples. Okay, this is the motive of this video. Coming to the first if condition, whenever you are writing the program, you know what is the need of indentation. I had explained you in the before video only how to write the if condition. Okay, now you know right already. Normally the flow will be like this, top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. Okay, if this is the condition, this diamond shape is the condition. If in this condition true, if this condition true, we will do one special treatment. We'll do the special treatment followed by the normal treatment. If the condition is false, directly we will provide the normal treatment only. Now, how to do with the computer? In the computer, how to write the code? So right, for this, if whatever the condition you write, for example, a greater than b, a greater than 2, a mod 2, something, or else a equal to 5, like this. If if this condition, whatever the condition you write, you place within the parenthesis. If you place within the parenthesis, after that you put this colon. In keyboard it is available 2 dot colon. If condition is true, if the condition is true, we need to execute a block of code. Means this is this block how to write. You maintain some space using tab in the computer. We will write with the examples, then you will get more clear. By maintaining the space, you do this block of code, whatever the logic you want to perform, write that. After that, followed by block of code. Block of code means this is normal code. This is this normal code. Compiler will execute this special code only if the condition is true. After the condition is false, now this normal code will execute. This is the flow. This is the flow for if condition. Now if else you already know, right? Here only one special treatment, here we need two special treatments. If else, both the cases you need to do two special treatments. So that here, in case of if condition is true, if condition is false, we'll do the two special treatments for this. See, if condition, this condition semicolon, if it is true, we will maintain a tab space and we will write the block of code. Else means second case, we need to write the block of code again. After the following of the both the cases, again block of code, which is the common code. This is the common code. Okay, if block true, condition is true, this block will execute. If condition is false, this block will execute. After condition both the blocks, this final block will execute. This is in case of if condition. Now if you have multiple conditions, how to do that? That is nothing but else if ladder. Normally people who have studied C++, they will know that else if. So this is also same. If condition semicolon, if condition is true, sorry, it's a colon, not semicolon, colon, then block of code. Again else if, another condition, again one block of code, again else if, again block of code. How many you want, those many you take. It's like a looks like a ladder, right? One step, two step, three step, multiple steps. It looks like a ladder, so that they named it as else if ladder. So how many you want, you put that at last else condition. So this is the way. This is very simple. Just you remember, whenever you are writing the code for if else if, nothing, you need to remember four parts. Okay, four, remember very carefully the word if else, which you are using. You are using if or else, whatever the thing you are using, remember that. Followed by condition. First part is writing if or something. Next condition, whatever the condition you must be right. Next colon, third part is colon. First if, second condition, third colon, fourth is block of code. If you know these four things, you are done with the if condition statement. Okay, now I you people know this diagram for this if and else if. Now see the big diagram. Else if condition is true, this block of code will execute. And second condition is true, this block of code will execute. If third condition is true, third block, all condition fails, else part. So directly coming to the last block of code. This is if you tell this is the beta, this is a son, or else see, this is son, this is papa, this is grandpapa. See, size increasing day by day. It's like age. This is a 2 year kid, 20 year. This is 200 year. Very big, very big. Okay, this is one I want to tell. And this is the condition. Simple. Just you want to remember four things. First you wrote if or not, if else or not. Next condition you wrote it correct or not. Next third part intend that colon. Next fourth part is block of code. Now for this else no condition. Okay, only for if condition is there, else if condition is there, else nowhere condition. For else no condition. For else there is no need of condition. Okay, for else there is no need of condition. This is the thing. And this one I want to make sure clear. Please understand the diagram. So whenever you write a program or a question, you will get to know that how many special cases required. If you are requiring only one case, then use if condition. If you are requiring two special cases, if else, this or that, this type of scenarios, this or that, either or, neither nor, like this, either it is a positive number or a negative number, either it is a even number or odd number, two cases only, either that, either this or that. So in that cases, two cases, use this one. If it is more than two, a grade, b grade, c grade, d grade, e grade, multiple things, no more than two, then use this else if ladder. Okay, then use this else if ladder. These are the three scenarios which I want to tell you about. This is the statement syntax for conditional statements. From next video onwards, I am going to start problems. See, for that I am giving the numbering also. First three videos normally only if condition, very less usage. If else, at least there is a good usage, and else if there is a good usage. So first three videos on be if condition. Next 4 to 4 to 13, it will be if else. Okay, all will be, I will take care less than 10 minutes only. I will try to cover in less than 10 minutes only each video. After that 14 to 23. Okay, 14 to 23 else if ladder. Okay, else if ladder. For example, if you watch the first video, if you watch the second video, by these watching two videos, if you got the confidence that I can do any problem with if, then don't watch third video. Okay, skip that, directly come to fourth video. From fourth onwards, watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. If you got the confidence in 10th video or ninth video, then stop watching the videos if else, directly come to if else, directly come to if else, like this you watch. And I will suggest you watch every video. Why? Because I will try to cover different cases, different problems. I will not repeat the problems. I will try to cover different scenarios, different good questions I will bring, so that it's okay, 10 minutes only. Okay, daily, or else while watching, while eating, or while going to college, in mobile you keep and watch videos. Just I will explain, I will write the code, everything I will do. Just you people listen. It's like a podcast, or it's like a web series only. Just going. In movie also, 2 hour 30-minute movie, there will be a 10-minute bit which you already know. Like the hero is going to hit the villain. You know this, but why you will watch? How newly he is hitting, how differently he is hitting. These things you want, right? So experience here also. I will teach in a good way. I will try to bring good problems, as many problems as I can. So whenever you face different problems, then your brain will understand how to solve this problem, how to solve that, how to solve this. So when a new problem comes, your brain thinks based on the experiences, based on the problems it solved, how to solve the new problem. So that try to solve as many problems as you can. Then the if you solve 1 to 100, the 101 problem which you are going to face, you are facing with the experience of 100 problems, there is a guaranteed that easily you can solve. So that please watch the videos. And if you like the video, please give me a comment. And I want to know one thing actually, what is the unique thing which you felt in me, apart from the other tutors which you are watching in YouTube? What did you like from me? Please mention in the video, so I will get to sharp on that, what the thing you told. It will help me also to gain more views and more subscribers. Okay, bye guys, meet you in the next video.